We have a little project we've been working on for about 5 years now. How long have we been trying to?
5 years.
Yeah, literally 5 years been trying to make this thing because I'm never happy with how they come out. 3D printing looks like always to me. You know, there's always like little imperfections everywhere, so I haven't been happy. It took 5 years of technology advancements for me to finally think that this is acceptable, I guess. I mean, I don't know about to my standards, but to everyone else's standards, it's fine. But the one thing that we made it for is holding your AFR gauge, which looks like always, and putting it in your glove box so that you can't see it until you need to. That was the reason we designed this. Anyway, yeah, we usually use like AEM or Innovate AFR gauges, and those never match the other gauges that we have in the car. So instead of having ugly mix-matched gauges on your dashboard or anything like that, we decided to make the glove pod.
Starting to like the Stealth Pod.
I kind of like the glove pod. Okay, well, it's either the Stealth Pod or the glove pod, but we don't know yet. Right now, we have it for left-hand drive, but I'm sure we're going to do right-hand drive very soon. So it's just one gauge pod. You can put whatever you want in there, honestly. This is a 52 millimeter pod. You could probably fit a 60 in here if you had to, with some custom work. But yeah, like I was saying, we don't like to see the AFR gauges, so I always put mine in the glove box, just so that, you know, I don't have to see it. We would always mount them in there. But now you can mount it in your glove box and have it actually look pretty nice. All you have to do is take your glove box out, make a hole in the back. I don't know why Chris made this look like a machine did it, but he's a perfectionist. So you just have to, you know, drill a hole in the back to get the wire through. So you just slide your gauge pod in, or gauge into your pod. You can put your gauge pod on here, like your bracket on here, if you want to modify it to fit, or you can kind of just sit it in there. Honestly, this is pretty tight, so I don't know. It really depends on the gauge you have. Like some clearances. It's going to be a little different depending on the gauge. So, and the angle what you're going to sit at which you're going to sit this in. We are going to try to supply you guys with 3M tape or some kind of double stick tape. There's only 2 mounting points here. So you're just going to put tape here, and then it's just going to go right in the corner of the glove box. It's going to sit like that. And then we'll get some shots from the driver's seat so you know what it's going to look like when it's in there. But yeah, just run the wires out the back to your sensor, and then you're good.
You got your wires.
S13 glove box is probably one of the easiest ones to take out. Just 2 screws on the bottom, and then pretty much it pops out. It's a lot of wires.
22. The rest is ECU. You got your gauge. Got your wires. Put your wires in. And you want to pull these out. Just imagine there's tape on there. The box back in. Oh, I know why I did that. It's because on the tray there's a hole, like cut out for the right around the wires.
Oh,
So it sits perfectly right there.
yeah. You guys might have a tough time running the wires. I mean, there's not much room up there. You got the blower motor and all that stuff, so might have to route it around certain things, but just make sure it's not caught on anything so you don't open your glove box and rip your sensor out of your engine. So yeah, he's got a lot of cleaning up to do with the wires, but other than that, that's pretty much it. Yeah, one of the easier ways to put the glove box in is literally to put the clip in up top, and then it kind of just sits where it's supposed to sit.
Okay, there's your AFR gauge. Then we'll turn the key on. And that's your view.
Yeah, so, I mean, you can tell Wags has got epoxy gauges up top. So if we were to put this 52 millimeter AEM gauge on the right side of those, that would completely destroy how this car looks on the inside. So that's pretty much why we designed these. So we could just install the AFR gauges in the glove box, and then when you don't want to see it, put it away. If you're trying to, test your car out and see what's going on, just open the glove box and you'll be able to see the AFRs. Or any other 52 millimeter gauge that you don't want to see can go in there as well. So, and best part, you can still use your glove box. That was kind of the whole point, because we've seen those old HKS panels that they made for right-hand drive cars, but it kind of would just fit a bunch of boost controllers and other stuff, and your glove box would be unusable. So the whole point of this was so that we could still use the glove box as it was originally intended, and also hide your AFR gauge. Just a reminder, we are giving away products every month over on factionmotorsports.com. Every $5 spent gets you 1 entry, and Faction Motorsports merch and products get you double entries. For our website raffle this month, we are giving away an Origin Labo hood for any vehicle of your choosing. Origin Labo has been the most popular aero company in drifting for years now, supplying drivers worldwide with fenders, over fenders, hoods, full body kits, and much more. From the subtle pole style 30mm over fender all the way to their aggressive Type 4 over fenders, they have a wide range of sizes to make sure you can fit any tire and wheel combo you need. Make sure to check out their aero kits as well. The Driftline kit that dropped last year is quickly becoming one of their most popular styles. And don't worry if you have a newer chassis. Origin released a bunch of products for the ZN6 last year. Not only do they continue to offer support for older vehicles, but they are also looking to the future as well. We are an authorized distributor for Origin Labo, so for more info on their parts or to place an order, check out factionmotorsports.com.